it's Friday late afternoon, evening, and we're supposed to get a lot of rain
tomorrow
on Saturday.
Well, starting tonight into tomorrow.
So we're back fencing, trying to tamper in the remaining posts sort of before the heavy rain comes.
Yeah, before everything that we took out of the holes gets all muddy and impossible to put back.
So we can keep moving.
And we've kind of already procrastinated on that a little bit, so some of it already is muddy and horrible.
So, while we're tampering posts, we've got the goats out grazing again. That was a bit of a episode getting them back here. 3 of them decided they wanted to go a completely different direction, but they're all back here now, so...
You're going to film us tampering?
Hi! Taking Craft Farm. We're just digging in the putting in the rest of the dirt on the post holes.
You're going to use your real stick? It's not too wet.
There's everyone. Lots of goats.
Well, everybody can.
You do that
Trouble last time.
So you want some more there. Ouch.
They're just doing some of the post holes.
Go, go.
Come on.
That's an unhelpful goat.
Ow.
That's not parsnip. I'm not going.
No,
That's
I took the piece of parsnip out.
Say hi, Krupp. We almost have post 1 complete.
How many people does it take
Some
to put
more
in
to
a post?
go.
A lot.
Post 1 is complete. Well, almost.
Maybe we shouldn't have brought you guys. It's trying to be nice.
Now we're on to post 2.
So here we are at one of, I don't even remember how many posts.
We're now at 25.
I think it might be more than 25,
Well,
James.
25 left to do.
To do. But basically everybody's helping, which is awesome.
Another thing kids can help with on the homestead, right? Fencing.
Putting dirt in a hole.
Yeah, playing in the mud.
Get no dirt. I like to try and find clay.
Yeah, we
I
got
think
that.
you found lots of it. But
We have clay.
anyways, we'll
All right, start
tamper
tampering
this.
in there. James, get your stick in and... Oh, Cruppy's being helpful.
Yeah, and
G'day.
goats
By
are
not
helping
being
too.
helpful. James, next time can I do it?
Chris's stick here.
This one's our goat Black Diamond because, well, she's named after Fajita, her mother. And we had to name her a type of cheese because with all our goats, whatever their names are, whatever their mother's names are, we name them after what it's like. So do we do that with our bunnies.
The final stretch.
The final stretch. We took a little break earlier today with the kids and had some dinner and stuff, and now we're back out here. We've got 6 more posts along this stretch, and then there's a few up closer along the channel, but we probably aren't going to get those done today. But otherwise, we've gone all the way around what will eventually become Pasture 1.
1 acre.
Is it 1 acre or half acre?
No, it's 1 acre.
1 acre?
Yeah.
But
Might be a little under, but...
yeah, a little under. But anyways, we're going to keep going and get these last 6 done anyways. Yeah, we're trying to straighten them as best as we can.
And I'm not so sure we got our measuring all perfect.
No, but that's okay. It's just a pasture fence. So it's starting to get dark. You can kind of see the moon peeking through the clouds there. But we did manage to get our 6 done. So yeah, that's all the way around. And we're going to head back, finish up what we have left to do on chores. And that's probably going to be it for tonight. Can you already hear the chickens making noise back at the barn? Anyways.
55 posts in the ground, tampered, and ready. That's our Pasture 1 and our channel up to the crossing into the back section. We still have to do up by the riding ring. So
The midsection. This is only the midsection of our
We
property.
haven't even gone to the back to decide what we're even doing.
No immediate plans for that. But
Electric fencing for horses.
yes, maybe someday cows, but that's another topic.
Oh, it's getting late.
Yeah, so
The nights are really drawing in. I'm really noticing it now because we used to get that extra hour of working out here, and now it's gone.
well, we've seen a couple common nighthawks go over too, which end of
Sign.
August, that's
Winter's
usually
coming.
sign that summer is over when they start to head south. So
But it's been really nice working back here because the birds are coming back. You're starting to really hear and start listening for, oh, is there something different coming?
I can
coming
hear
through?
there's wood thrushes in the background. Probably can't hear them here, but wood thrushes, song sparrows, lots of
Robins.
catbirds, the American robins.
Oh, well.
But anyways, gonna head back, and that's basically the end of Friday evening.
Yep. And
See
tomorrow's
what-
a rain day.
So we'll see what we get up to. Just another shot of the moon. Probably doesn't look as impressive here as it does in real life, but and the storm clouds, front of the front coming through as we walk back to the barn.